So what's up? Twiz is in the old city in Stockholm here, location scouting for some horror movie I'm going to do in the future. And this is my friend. He looks like coming from horror. So this is the first view. Let's try if we can do some cinematic stuff here. That was not so funny. Are they doing a rebuild to my horror movie? A phone box. Can you stand there with your mobile phone and try it out? And a church. Another place when you can haunt someone. Going to be fun to see how the stabilization is on my GoPro 7 when I walk. I try to hold it steady with my hands in front of me, and two people are coming and destroying my shot. Let's stop with this one. This is like showing no respect, coming to the old city, do some fucking tags on the walls. Why? Go somewhere else, to your own apartment and do that. Another place. Holy crap, I did a 360! Whoa! Sky is totally blue today. Here is a good place. I call it Up the Saddle, and this can be a really good place to make a kill right there. Here is a cool alley. It's a lot of graffiti here. It could be much cooler without it. People are taking a lot of pictures here, and I will take a lot of pictures trying here when I get my Sony Xperia 1 III in 20 days. And this is the ending of the alley. This is the ending. What place is this? This is Bars from Hell. Let's check here. I would have my editing room up there. That would be cool. Other side of the prison. If you hear someone banging, they want out. This is people that have been in prison like 400, 500, 600 years, and they are still alive. That's a prison where you're not getting old just to get a real punishment. What's inside this place? No, it's just a dirty window. We can see. Maybe that's the place where the guards are. Oh, Evert got his mask on. That's good. He lived from 1890 to 1976. This is like old city. I don't know how old it is. And what's there? There's an electric kick bike. An electric kick bike! What's that doing here? I was thinking I was back at that time zone, but hell no. Fuck. So, the old city is no time machine like I was thinking it was. So, but I seen some places, and do you think I can make a horror movie in here with the great kills? Yeah. Thanks for me. Bye. Holy crap, I'm back again. I found a place where there is nothing, so maybe I could change time zone. But when I see that lamp, no, we are not changing time zone. And did they have that one? No. And electric stuff and numbers with plastic? No. All these trashy signs are like taking away the magic. So yeah, there is the old city, and you see they are building away.